Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to disable Roblox UI navigation or getting stuck. Okay, first things first, toggle to the UI navigation. To disable UI navigation, exit the settings and press the backslash key on your keyboard. This key set or acts as a toggle switch, allowing you to turn UI navigation on or off as much as you need it. By following the straightforward steps, you'll be able to regain control of your Roblox character and eliminate any hindrances caused by unintentional UI navigation. As simply as the steps, you'll be able to disable the UI navigation after following it. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now disable Roblox UI navigation or getting stuck. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.